In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile accounts in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. The process of reconciling accounts is crucial for ensuring that your records in QuickBooks match your bank and credit card statements. This not only helps in identifying any discrepancies, but also keeps your financial data accurate and reliable. First, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks. Navigate to the login page, and you'll see an option to choose QuickBooks Online. Select that, and then you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure to type in your username and password carefully, and then click on Continue to access your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the settings. In the upper right hand corner, there's a gear icon that represents settings. Click on it and you'll see several options. From these, find and click on Reconcile. This option is usually located under the Tools section. By selecting Reconcile, you'll be directed to a new page where you can start managing the accounts you need to reconcile. Now, you will want to choose which account you'd like to reconcile. In this scenario, we are focusing on a business credit card account. Under the account drop-down menu, select the business credit card you're working with. This ensures that the transactions related to that specific card are under review. Next, it's time to input the statement ending balance. This information can be found on your most recent credit card statement. Carefully type the balance into the corresponding field, making sure you have it exactly as it appears on the statement. Following this, you'll need to enter the statement ending date. Again, this is typically found at the top of your credit card statement. Enter the date accurately to ensure all transactions are reviewed within the correct period. Before you proceed, there are a couple of helpful tips to keep in mind. QuickBooks allows you to match and clear transactions, which is a process of verifying that each transaction on your statement matches what is in QuickBooks. As you match these transactions, continue until the difference field in QuickBooks shows 0. This indicates that everything is aligned perfectly with no discrepancies. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary details and matched the transactions, you're ready to start reconciling. There's a button labeled Start Reconciling. Click on it, and QuickBooks will begin the reconciliation process. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to reconcile accounts in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, yet incredibly important for maintaining the integrity of your financial records. If you have any other questions or need further clarification, feel free to consult additional resources or consider reaching out to your accountant for professional advice. Happy reconciling!